Ahoy and welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Code Busted. Today I am going to show you how I built the Power Rangers Hyperforce Morpher using craft foam. Let's go! I used a template made by Henshin's Assets, Props and Recreations. Please visit his Facebook page and leave some love. His work is truly fantastic. For this element I used 4mm foam, this is 10mm foam, and I used sandpaper to smooth down the edges here. I also added the details with an X-Acto knife before adding the following foam elements. This is 4mm with some 1mm foam detail, and before I use my soldering iron to burn away some foam areas, I always like to cut in the outline first. This is, again, 4mm foam with a yellow 2mm craft foam detail. And for this element I used 2mm craft foam as a base and for the buttons as well. You are going to need two of those side elements made out of 4mm foam. Now let your cat bless the working space and continue. The last part is made out of one layer of green 4mm foam and two layers of 2mm crafting foam on the back, to give it some sort of a convex shape when glued down. Simply clip away some foam on the edges and sand them down with sandpaper. Now heat up your soldering iron and carefully burn away the foam here. Use your super glue to glue everything together. You can use some needles to secure the foam in place before adding them with super glue to the rest of the build. This makes the whole process much easier. It's priming time. I mixed black acrylic paint and some hobby glue in order to create a primer. You probably have to apply a lot of layers of the mixture to the screen element, so that the surface is really shiny and smooth. In the meantime I added a few fake diamonds or fake crystals to the main build. I applied 2 layers of the primer to the morpher. And after the paint has dried, I started painting the morpher using acrylic paints again. After a few hours, I finished the surface with some acrylic varnish. This product protects the surface and gives it a nice glossy finish. I applied 2 layers of varnish to the screen element of the morpher. You can use a 5cm strip of craft foam as a wristband. My foam was pink, so I painted it black. And all I had to do at this point was adding some velcro using hot glue and super glue to secure the wristband to the morpher. And we are done. This is the final build, the Power Rangers Hyperforce Morpher, made out of foam, mostly. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for sticking around till the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.